Both of these materials are mainly used in aerospace more often. The main alloying element of the 7 Series aluminum alloy is zinc, so the strength will be relatively high. Currently, in terms of market inventory, there is more 7075, and it has good mechanical properties and excellent corrosion resistance. So, in addition to aerospace, it is also widely used in some conventional industrial applications, such as mold processing, machinery and equipment, tooling fixtures, etc. In simple terms, the 7050 is an improvement over 7075 with an increased content of Xinghe and a higher ratio of Tongheng Mei. Simply put, 7050 has increased strength and has relatively high exercise toughness, resistance to hard forces, and corrosion ability. So it's often used in applications like the outer skin of large aircraft wings and fuselages. On the market, there are mainly more panels and diamond rings for 7050. These materials can also be used in combination, but we need to consider the specific application and mechanical requirements of the manufacturer for the product.